How to replace the thermal paste in a laptop. At the request of fans, today we're replacing the thermal paste on the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 16. Let's reduce the CPU temperature by 15.6 degrees Celsius in 6 simple steps, easily improving your laptop's performance. Tutorials for replacing and upgrading thermal paste on laptops are available in the main tutorial collection on our homepage. You can also comment with your model if you need specific guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Get tools ready. Many tools are needed to replace the laptop's thermal paste. Apart from the thermal paste and thermal paste cleaning wipes, some gadgets can help you to disassemble the laptop much more easily. If you don't want to buy them separately, you can find our total solution combo in our profile. Step 2. Remove the laptop case and battery. Before you start disassembling the computer, it's highly recommended to wash your hands or wear gloves or an anti-static wristband to eliminate static electricity. With the laptop facing up, use a T5 screwdriver to remove the 9 screws from the bottom cover. Note that the 2 screws on the top left and right are longer, while the rest are shorter. It's advised to use a magnetic mat to avoid mixing or losing screws. Prepare the triangular pry tool and spudger. Insert the spudger at the hinge area on the top side of the chassis and gently pry up and down, making it easier to open the bottom cover. Insert the triangular pry tool and work your way around the perimeter to pry open the cover. Once the bottom cover is removed, use the spudger to disconnect the power cable. Simply push the prying tool on both sides of the connector to remove it. After removing the power cable, remember to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Step 3. Remove the heatsink and old thermal paste. Peel off the black anti-static sticker on the cooling module. Use the spudger to disconnect the power cables from both cooling fans. Use a PH0 screwdriver to remove the 6 screws securing the cooling fans on both sides. In numerical order, unscrew the 3 captive screws on the cooling module. Use a high-quality screwdriver, such as the Kooling Monster Combo 01, and apply vertical pressure to prevent stripping the screws. Remove the Wi-Fi cable and the fan cable from its clips. Use both hands to gently and slowly lift the cooling module and remove it from the laptop. To clean the old thermal paste more efficiently, we recommend using Kooling Monster Clean 01 thermal paste cleaning wipes. If you're worried about getting your hands dirty, you can use the disposable gloves included in our kit. Here you can see, the thermal paste on the processor has dried up after years of use, reducing its cooling efficiency. It needs timely replacement. Make sure to clean off the remaining thermal paste from the cooling module. Step 4. Clean the fan. We use an anti-static brush and compressed air to clean. Use the anti-static brush to remove dust from the fan blades and cooling module. When using compressed air, maintain a small distance to avoid spraying liquid. Compressed air helps clean small details and significantly improves dust removal efficiency. After cleaning, don't forget to clean the backplate as well. Step 5. Apply thermal paste. Here we used Kooling Monster Cold 01 high-performance thermal paste. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste on the surfaces of the CPU and GPU. After applying the thermal paste, you can use the spatula to evenly spread out the thermal paste and remove the excess. You can also use the pea-size method if you like. Step 6. Reassemble your laptop. Now, reassemble everything in the reverse order. Gently place the cooling module back. Reinstall the fan. Reconnect the cables and reassemble the Wi-Fi cables. Tighten the screws on the cooling module in numerical order, tightening them to about 70% first, and then fully tightening them to avoid too much pressure. Secure the cooling fans with the screws. Reconnect the fan power cables. And finally reconnect the power cable to the motherboard. Press the power button to test if everything is working properly. Reattach the black anti-static sticker. Close the laptop and secure the back cover, making sure the clips are locked and all screws are tightened. Follow and subscribe to Kooling Monster and let us know which laptops to demo this process with next.